This is in Kafka Gaming. Today, we're going to be ripping up a Phyrexia All Will Be One pre-release kit. Open this bad boy up, see what kind of value we would get. Maybe give your thoughts on what kind of a sealed deck we might be able to create from those cards. Open this up. Let's try to get one mother, right? Get the 6-packs. Spin down guy. Woo! Fumbled. Uh-oh. We'll open up this uh, pre-release pack last. Show the card, the code for some of the giveaway stuff. First person who gets it gets it. Just remember, there's really just one per account. Let's do pack one. Start it. Oh yeah, we got a mite. Sphere. I didn't realize those were spheres. Draw spits. Cankerboom. Ooh, Fran. That's nice. Ooh, I love those lands. Go for a duelist. Yeah, not a set for children. Ooh, well, all right. Spoilers. Uh, we got Glissa Sunslayer and Zolvander Longer Dominus. Woo! That's foily. Very pretty. Offer immortality. Join us. Draft Maker. Staff of Completion. That's another mythic. Very nice. Some mythics in these. Two so far. We don't know what the pre-release card is. So maybe you see a little bit of it peeking out there. Another attendant. Stinging Hive Master. More spheres. This is very similar to the other pack, huh? Grell. Man, you gotta worry about that guy showing up on the board if you're playing a draft or anything like that. Uh, you know, you're getting poisoned. That's for sure. Ooh, get those. More spheres, skull bombs, predations, feed the infection. Ooh, Malcator. And another mount. Very nice. Flashback. Come on, another mythic. All right, we rolled that one. Orthodoxy. Skull bomb for days. And hey, that's not bad. Check land. All right. Those were our 6-packs. Our land is a pre-release Dark Slick Shores. And the code. All right. If you want that code, whoever gets it first, enjoy. I think it's like six free packs. One per set per account. So if you've already claimed one of these, it'll probably say you've already redeemed it. Hoping you're having a great day. Please like, share, subscribe, and be well.